Neuroplasticity refers to our brain's ability to evolve. Our brains changes in response what we repeatedly do, think, attend to an experience. And our brain creates our mind and reality, so it's very important. I would like to share some habits that may pamper your brain and through that your existence, using some Japanese concepts I found from a book. The book is called Yoshuku, and it had these 4 principles of life: wa, harmony; kei, respect; sei, purity; and yaku, tranquility. As for sei, purity, keeping our environment clean is important, as it keeps our mind clear as well. And also, even more importantly, keeping our mind pure. Being mindful about what we consume and in which form. There is a lot of information these days in social media, news, and there is also some harmful ideologies and things that affect our mindset negatively. Also comparing ourselves, our lives to others, as we know from others' life way more than we did in the past. Short videos like TikTok, etc. Give quick dopamine, and that causes dopamine crashes during the day, which is harmful. It is better to consume information from books, long articles, and all that. Besides that, kotodama, which means power of words. Our words, what we say, is repeated thought to our brain, so it strengthens whatever the belief it carries. So it's very important to focus on how you talk to yourself and how you talk about world and to others. When you have this inner negative talk or talk in negative tone to others or about world, it strengthens the negative beliefs about yourself and world. I think the Japanese water experiment is a beautiful metaphor for this, even if it's not scientifically approved. When the water was exposed to harsh words, it formed in these chaotic molecular patterns. But when it was exposed to encouraging beautiful words and affirmations, it formed in beautiful geometrical patterns. And we are 70% of water, so yeah, it's a beautiful metaphor, I think. The next one is kei, which means respect. So focusing more on what we can respect in everyday, appreciate in everyday and moment, is very good for our resilience. When there is adversities, instead of complaining and turning into this critical, catastrophizing thoughts, thinking that what you can learn from this moment, is there any other perspective you could take that is more optimistic. It's important because it helps us to go through the life. Life is yin and yang. Yeah, so keeping gratitude journal and keeping that gratitude awareness through the day is important. And respecting yourself, respecting nature and others. We are all the same. It brings good energy. Then there is wa, which means harmony, and it's kind of this yin and yang thing, but in the book it was talked about as actions, moving your body. It could be walking in the nature, Pilates, yoga, all that, but like implementing these ideologies in the actions. Spending time in the nature especially aligns us with the universe. So even scientifically, our brains process efficiently patterns in the nature, which allows to have restorative attention that eases our cognitive load. So it activates our parasympathetic nervous system, lowers cortisol, stress levels. It's very good for us. And I think this harmony includes accepting the things you cannot affect on, like the yin and yang. There is yin and yang in life, and there are things we can affect on and things we cannot. And it is also part like accepting that there is sometimes dukkha, pain in the life. So yeah, and connecting with yourself on deeper level, connecting with nature, others. Then there is yaku, tranquility. As for yaku, journaling is very good daily habit. Journaling your thoughts, emotions, ideas. It helps you connect with your unconscious levels, connect with yourself, so you can act with more intention and awareness. Journaling is very good for the brain too, like it's creating. Journaling is creating. Besides journaling, also meditation is good way to practice yaku in daily life, like doing things intentionally, meditatively, meditating in the intentional way, connecting with this moment, or emotions and thoughts. Yeah. So basically, being mindful about what we consume, create more. Creating is important for us as humans. Keeping our environment clean, being mindful about what we consume, like internally, like our nutrition, journaling, meditation, gratitude, more gentle inner talk, and talk in general. So these are some of the habits that can be very useful. I hope this was somehow useful, and I hope you have a beautiful day or good night wherever you are. Sending you good energy.